हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो मैं आज डालने वाला हूँ रोलिंग लाउड, जहाँ पे मैं गया था एज अ वॉलेंटियर बन के। तो फिर सारे में फोटोज वीडियोस में किससे मिला, क्या किया, सब कुछ दिखाऊंगा आपको। बहुत लेट डाल रहा हूँ बट नेवर टू लेट। इट्स जस्ट अ बिगनिंग ऑफ माय चैनल। थैंक यू। तो क्या आप सुबह हो गई तो फिर हम निकल पड़ते हैं लगेज मुंबई के लिए। मैं तो रहता हूँ पुणे में, तो मुझे 3 घंटा ट्रैवल करना था। सुबह बस पकड़ी शिवनेरी, निकल गया। फिर वहां से मैंने रैपिडो पकड़ा और भैया को बोला जल्द से जल्द पहुंचा दो। बीच में एक दो व्यूज देखे मैंने स्कूटी में, जो बाइक थी उनकी व्यूज देखते देखते मजा आ गया। व्यू वगैरह बढ़िया लगा। फिर हम पहुंच जाते हैं रोलिंग लाउड फाइनली। अब दिखाता हूँ मैं आगे मैंने क्या क्या करा और क्या क्या मस्ती करी मैंने। लेट्स गो। तो बेसिकली मुझे सिर्फ 3 दिन के लिए बुलाया गया था कि काम करने के लिए। पहला दिन तो वर्किंग में चला गया, वैलोरेंट बूट सब काम हुआ या नहीं यही सब चेक करना था। वॉलेंटियर था मैं। बाकी 2 दिन तो मुझे इतना कुछ काम नहीं था, बस चेक करना था कि सब सही सलामत चल रहा है या नहीं। पहले दिन इतना काम किया और हम वापस घर चले गए। एक रूम पकड़ा मैंने, डॉर्मेंट्री में रहा मैं, और पूरे 3 दिन वहीं पे गुजारी मैंने। हम सुबह ही जल्दी उठ के आ जाते हैं स्टेज के पास और सब काम हो गया क्योंकि आज सब लोग आने वाले थे। तो फिर सब काम रेडी था मेरा, वैलोरेंट बूट सब ऑल कोड रेडी। और मैंने क्या किया, सिर्फ मजे करे, इधर उधर घूमा और जो जब जब जरूरत पड़ी तो मैं अपने बूट के पास चला गया काम करने। गाइस जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर दो, मुझे 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स करने, ये मेरा अभी शॉर्ट टर्म गोल है। और इसी के साथ अभी मेरे पास जितने भी क्लिप्स है, जितने भी आर्टिस्ट और सिंगर्स के डे 1 पे, मैं सारे अपलोड करूंगा। देख के मजे करो, ठीक है। थैंक यू। यहाँ पे आप देख ही सकते हैं, यहाँ पे सबके फेवरेट स्लेव पॉइंट बैठे हुए हैं। ऐसे में बहुत सारे क्रिएटर से भी मिले, कनेक्शंस बनाए। मैं इसका अलग से एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगा, मैं किस किस से मिला और किसके साथ बात हुई, हर चीज़ बना बताऊंगा उसमें।
You let a fuck, let a man go. Like a shoe, like you a bitch a rainbow. Giving it for the righteous and choking. Rest in peace to the pop, make it smoking. I did so wrong, my nigga, but I'm always wrong. Turn the fuck up right now. You be all alone in the air. Spent 10 hours on this fight, man. Whoa! Ain't no fight, man. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come take her, she's dancing like a stripper. Come on, come on, come on, get her, she's dancing on the dance floor. It's rolled up, I'm a pothead, torn up. At your ex crib, then you boot up. Take it slow, baby, wait it up. Can't see a non-cute, that's a very hot. You ain't believe me about you. You see me? I heard a lot about you. Catch me, I'm just like a potato. And you dancing on the table, cause you like a hater. Come on. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. If you love me down and I'm so sorry, I gotta give it to her like we in love. Oh, like we in love. Shake. Nah, nah, tell her. Nobody. You're in Mumbai too. You wanna do what lovers do, cause you are unforgettable.
सो गाइस, इस वीडियो में सिर्फ स्वाली और विश खलीफा डालूंगा क्योंकि कॉपीराइट इश्यूज आ रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं फिर से डालूंगा सारे सबके, जिसमें सेंट्रल से और हनुमान का एंड का रहेगा सिर्फ। तो सब्सक्राइब करके सेव कर लेना, मैं कल तक डाल दूंगा पक्का।
You guys have been an amazing job tonight. You should be proud of your motherfucking selves. Keep that smile on your face. I love you guys. I love my job. I love my J's on my beat. Say what? Say what? I be rocking J's or I be rocking Taylors. I got lots of flavors. My kick game is major. More kicks than the players. Call me up, I'm scoring. Hit it like a free throw. Tongue out like I'm Jordan. Mally, come on with the thing right by me. I got a joint if you wanna get stoned. I got choppers if they wanna try me. Ayy, I said pro athlete, I'm not no wannabe. The waitress. And I got all the strength. Hold up, I bought all these bottles up in this club. Can't give it all my dogs, but I'm trying to leave it to your friends. If you rockin' with the Taylor Gang tonight, put your motherfucking hands in the air. Put your motherfucking hands in the air. Say 1, 2, 3. I got all these chains, hold up, and I got all the strength. Hold up, I bought all these bottles up in this club. Came in with all my dogs, but I'm trying to leave it you and your friends. If you came in with your best friend, I mean, he's free. Taylor, 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 Taylor. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Taylor, jump, 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 jump. Taylor, gang, say Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor. Jump, 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 jump. Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor, gang, Taylor. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Louder! Can I tell you all about it when I see you again? Screaming! We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Who knew all the planes we flew, the things we've been through? They got me standing right here talking to you about another past. I know we love to get the road fast, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays, and now I'll be here in a better place. How can we not talk about family and families all that we have? Everything I would do, you were standing in my life. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Sing along, sing that shit. 2, 3. I got all these chains, hold up, and I got all this strength, hold up. I bought all these bottles up in this club. Getting in with all my dogs, but I'm trying to leave with you and your friends. If you came in with your best friend, I mean, it's free. If you came in with your best friend, make some noise. You and your friends, I'm in my car, rolling out J's, flying with the stars. I'm trying to ask for price, cause you already know. Watch full of ice. 1, 2, credit go! Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not when I pulled up a lot, that's not. Up in my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds on it. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Taking they up, I'm just rolling hella weed up while I'm way in the cup. I had to wait in the so hot, we see the whole street. We find me so fly, we need our own wing. G-O-D. You know everything tailored. Don't rush to the bar full of you that got no paper. That's the rules. I'm high as fuck, popping drunk when I'm passing through. I'm rolling doobies up, your hoe who we passing to. I give a love, spend this money up, roll another one, drink at the pool. This what we have to do. Say
All night, never worry about a damn thing. Yeah, y'all might.
only I'm on my level. Tell 'em what we do. First thing, wake up out a dream, I grab a lighter, something I can see, a bone grip, make sure it's clean, a smoke session, nigga, what you mean, I'm in my car, cruising down the street, so stoned, I'ma need something to eat, no tray, ashes on my seat, hide up, tailors on my. Everything I was doing, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Hands in the air and sing this shit.
Oh, baby, how's it go?
Louder.
And every road you take,
What it do?
always leads you home.
Oh, I need y'all to sing this as loud as you motherfucking can. Let me hear y'all.
It's been a loving for the train. Louder!
Y'all ready for this shit? Hell yeah! Say fuck yeah! Say fuck yeah! Say fuck yeah! Say fuck yeah! College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't run, her parents paid it. This show was far. No, I ain't spending cash for nothing. I wanna see you take it off. I'ma pop this bottle, you gon' get me brand off.
Do you like the way I flick my tongue or not? You can ride my face until you drip and come. Can you lift the tip and throw the dick or not? Can you let me stretch that pussy out or not? I'm not the type to call you back too much, but the way you wrapping around me is a problem. Ain't nobody trying to save you, baby, get that paper. Probably got a lot of other bitches owe you favors. Real good, had to save that shit for later. Took her to the kitchen, fucked her right there on the table. She rubbing it so to the death. I'm tryna make these bitches wet. I'm tryna keep that pussy wet. I'm tryna fuck her in the front. I'm
You gon' run it for this girl tonight. Show me is you dirty. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. First niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, your life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing.
It's just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go live. That's how it's supposed to be. What we doing? What we doing? Yeah, roll one, smoke one. We live like this. You're supposed to.